Hello everyone! May babatiin tayong isang kaibigan from YT. Walang iba kundi si Miss Apaya Vlogs. Ayan, friend ko siya dito sa Hong Kong pero nasa Israel siya. So, happy birthday to you sis and Merry Christmas na rin and a Happy New Year. Ayan. And of course, I'm wishing you all the best. Sana mag-ingat ka lagi dyan sa Israel and God bless. And to your YT channel, more power and more videos and more live pa. Alam ko na napakasipag mo rin. And thank you for being my member and for being a supportive friend. Yan. Thank you so much. And happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true and more power. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Mwah.
Hello everyone, I just want to say happy birthday to the wonderful friend and I wish you all the birthday joy ever. May your birthday this year be as special, unique, and meaningful as your friendship is to me. Happy birthday to a very special friend and super funny special person that I met. Wishing you the best in life today and always. My dear Miss Apaya Vlogs, happy birthday! Many happy returns of the day and wishing you all the best in life. Once again, happy birthday and more blessings to come. Ayan, English yan lahat. So, happy birthday once again. Mwah! Bye!
Mega love shout out. Hello from Canada. This is CDT8. And who's this?
I'm Roland.
This is Tommy Boy.
No, Roland.
And we want to greet happy birthday to how do you say in Filipino
Mahal kita lang.
say happy birthday and you say
Birthday to you.
no kisses? Happy birthday. Happy birthday
To you, princess.
And do you want Goldilocks birthday cake? Mili ka na. Pero ikaw na rin magbayad.
Thank you very much.
Kiss. We have more here. More Filipino ice cream cake. Ice cream pala.
Happy birthday.
And how do you say
I'm a catapult.
maganda? Sino?
Gando.
Magando?
Gago.
Ay, you don't say that.
Hey, good morning. At almusal tayo. O nga pala, happy birthday sa iyo, Miss Apaya Vlogs. At wish na maging prosperous yung taong ito, 2025. Mas lalong bumonggang-bongga ang iyong love life. At maganda na nga ang iyong ngayon nag-bloom ka na ngayon. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yan. At huwag masyadong magpapaka-stress. And many more birthdays to come sa'yo, Miss Apaya Vlog. This is Pinoy Prime Vlogger! Happy New Year!
Hello everyone! Hello everything! Char. Ayan, happy birthday sis Apayaw. Stay good health and enjoy your birthday. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Ayan. Thank you dahil nakilala din kita dyan sa Team Lovebirds. Thank you so much. Ayan, ingat palagi. Love you.
Hello everyone! Welcome back guys. Ngayon magigreet na naman tayo guys sa kasama natin sa YT. Kaya ayan, Miss Apayaw, happy birthday. And good health always. More blessing to come. And stay maganda, stay sexy. What else? Ano pa? Lahat na sa'yo, Sisi Koy, nandyan na sa'yo. Kaya ayan, happy birthday and mag-ingat ka lagi dyan and sana wag mo kaming kalimutan someday. Kaya ayan, Sisi Koy, enjoy your day and more blessing to come. Love you!
Happy birthday to Miss Apayaw Vlog! Happy birthday sis! Sana mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo! I love you! God bless you more! Miss you! Bye-bye!
Hello, good morning. Andito kami para batiin ka ng Happy Birthday to you!
Happy birthday,
Tita Net!
Happy birthday, Tita Net. I love you.
Yun. Happy birthday,
Happy
sis.
birthday, Mama Payaw. Ayan, sana bigyan ka para mahabang buhay. Ayan. At more
Blessings.
bless to you. And more give for Vinny.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Okay.
birthday.
Ikaw, Kuya, ano masabi mo?
Happy birthday.
Ano
sasabihin
masabi
mo
mo
kay
kay
Tita
Tita Net? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ngayon, wala siya masabi, sis.
Ikaw, Vinny, ano sasabihin mo, Vinny?
Happy birthday.
Yun.
Happy
Thank
birthday,
you.
Tita Net.
Happy birthday, Tita Net. I love you.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We love you.
Nandito ako sa taas ng rooftop. I just wanna say happy birthday to Miss Apayaw Vlogs. Miss Apayaw Vlogs, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Apayaw. Ayan, ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health and laging mag-iingat yan dahil nasa ibang bansa ka. And also, thank you for being a good friend here in YouTube and kahit hindi tayo masyado nag-uusap and hindi tayo laging nakakadalaw sa isa't isa and then we are here and alam natin na we are friends in YT. Thank you so much, Miss Apayaw po. And also, ingat ka palagi dyan and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday. And once again, happy birthday. God bless you more and also your family. Enjoy. Bye-bye.